Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick video on changing one of the wheel studs. This is a 15 WRX. Obviously you need new studs, and we're going to need to remove the caliper assembly, and then what we're going to do is find the lug that needs to be removed, which is this one, and then you're going to need your trusty sledgehammer, because you're going to whack that thing out. The reason why you want to take off the caliper is because this is going to fall through the back and you need to put the new one in and then bring it in. This is the same for most cars, most JDM cars, I believe some American cars. So let's get to it. The one thing I also want to remind you guys is safety first. Make sure you have your car secure, not just on a jack, but if you have a jack stand in place. You want to work safe and always keep yourself, out of harm's way. Okay, so let's break that bolt loose. Put on my gloves. Safety first. Okay. Try to get some leverage. See if this works. That's the first bolt. And now let's go for the bottom one. Okay guys, so we're gonna break the bottom one. I'm gonna use leverage, and I'm gonna use my foot to push on the bolt itself. Make sure it's secure on the other side. Oh. I know it looks kind of sketchy, but there we go. And now I'm going to take off the bolts. A little bit OCD when it comes to removing bolts. I like to put them back where I got them from. So this is the bottom one. Bottom one, I'll put it down here. And then the top one, I'll put it back. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey, and in this case lefty is up. Here's the top bolt, and the top bolt I'm going to put it on top to remind me. Now I'm going to remove the whole caliper assembly with the pads and put it to the side so I can have access to the lug. Okay, so I moved it back enough where I can bang out the lug and replace it with the new. I'll show you from the rear what it looks like. So I'm not sure if you can see it here, but this is the space here, and that's the lug. So when I bang it out, it should pop and then fall out. I'm gonna bang it out, and then you guys will see it coming out. Hopefully you got a good view there. Sorry for the noise, but here goes something. And that's it. The hole. Now I'm going to put in the new stud or lug, whatever you want to call it. There it is. And now I'm going to show you from the other side what you need to do. the new lug. So what you need to do now is get either an old nut, and then you put the nut on top or something hollow as such, and you start tightening the nut to pull it out. Sometimes these lugs, they bring the nuts so you can do the job. These did not, so we're gonna have to use the factory lugs, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do this. That explains why the nut wasn't bolting on. And then what we want to do is we just start turning until the lug comes right through. So once you finish putting in the lugs and they're pulled all the way and they're set properly, you pick up your tools, get ready to put on the tires and torque them to the correct spec. On this car is 80 foot-pounds of torque. Okay guys, last but not least, make sure you bolt your lug nuts, or you tighten your lug nuts in the pattern specified by the vehicle. Okay guys, I hope this video was informative. If it helped you out in any way, please like and subscribe, and any comments you may have, please post them down below and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.